Looking for a drill that handles tough projects with ease? The DeWalt 20V MAX XR Brushless 1/2 inch drill driver steps up with up to 40% more usable work output (UWO) compared to the DCD791B when paired with the DCB205 or DCB-P034 power stack battery, sold separately. That means you get more runtime and power to push through demanding tasks without constant recharging. Its compact 6.37-inch size is a real advantage for working in tight or hard-to-reach spots. At half an inch shorter than the DCD791, this drill fits comfortably in your hand and navigates confined spaces better than many competitors. Whether you're under cabinets or inside framing, this tool stays nimble without sacrificing strength. The 1/2 inch metal ratcheting chuck offers high bit retention, so your drill bits stay secure during heavy use. That's essential when you're drilling into tough materials or fastening screws quickly. Plus, the brushless motor delivers professional-grade power and speed, helping you complete projects faster and with more control. You'll appreciate the variable trigger and 2 speed settings, giving you precise control over speed and torque. This means you can adjust the drill to match the task, whether it's delicate screw driving or heavy-duty drilling. It's a level of versatility that makes a noticeable difference on the job. Working in low light conditions? The adjustable 3-position, 3-mode LED light shines up to 70 lumens, including a spotlight mode with a 20-minute shutoff to save battery life. This feature brightens dark corners and ensures you don't lose track of your work, especially in cramped or poorly lit areas. Users across the U.S. praise this drill for its balance of power, size, and efficiency. One reviewer noted how it fits perfectly in the hand, works well in tight spaces, and provides the power and settings needed for various tasks, all without feeling too heavy or cumbersome. If you've been relying on smaller drills but want something that packs more punch without bulk, this DeWalt 20V MAX XR drill is worth a look. It's engineered to deliver both speed and precision, helping you tackle everything from everyday fixes to challenging projects. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? The DeWalt 20V MAX XR Brushless drill driver offers the performance and compact design that professionals rely on. Try it when you're ready to experience power and control that make a real difference on the job.